What's happening YouTube? Brand new year, and we're looking at a brand new speaker here by Tribit. This is the Stormbox Blast. We're gonna check it out today and see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well, and make sure to hit that like button. So let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Ooh. Inside the box, we get this accessory box. Plug in and user manual. And in the middle, we get these speakers. On the top, it has a Tribit logo right there. Power button, Bluetooth button, volume up, volume plus, volume up and volume down. And I think that was select if you want to change something. Just a random button in the middle. Might be a play and pause button. Brightness right there and extra bass. On the front, see LED lights on the side there, speaker in the front, and also
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
whoa, Siri, not right now. And then this has all your slots to auxiliary in, output, your USB-C, and also the power slot right there. It's good up to 240 volts as well. Let's go ahead and try this out. Now on the side, if you look here, it does pump out the sounds, which is really nice as well. Rubbery texture there. Pump up the bass. There it is. Let's turn this on. Oh, as you can see there, LED lights on the side, LED on the front as well right here. Very nice. Good addition by Tribit. Let's go ahead and go to our phone here. So here on our phone, we're just going to download the Tribit app on the App Store. Once we do that, we're going to log in to our Google account here. You can also make up your own, and then we're going to add a new device. The app should be able to see the Tribit Stormbox Blast, and then you just connect that and we're good to go. So from here, there's a few features that the app has. You can change the lighting controls from mode 1 and 2, change the volume here as well, play and pause and skip music. You can also has auto hibernate that will turn off the boombox in a certain time that it's lulled and it's not used. And then it has equalizer as well, where you can choose a preset or you can customize your own. Now let's try out the speakers. Here we go. That's about halfway on the music there, on the sound there. Look at the rumble on that, man. That's sweet. lower or higher. That's sweet. Good addition. Oh, that's nice. So one thing I noticed as well that it does work without the power plugs, as you can see on the back here. If you are using this around the pool, it is also IP67. You'll be able to charge your phone as well on the USB-C on the back, right here, without any problem, because this is also a power bank. And you'll be able to have your music free to go. Just bring it with you like this, back in the old days, right? Let's go. And then show off your music and your lights. So I would definitely recommend this for people who loves music at home, or maybe if you want to bring people over, if you have a small venue as well, you can use this for that. Have a party, and you'll be able to have lights with you, and also great big bass with great sound. So if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check that out. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.